What is up, guys? Saturday, 86 day, and we're already here at Alvin. In the last video, you guys saw that I did a few stuff only, and then the car has been relocated. Would I say relocated into inside of Alvin's shop? Today we're gonna continue on more on the fuel system. Oh, tu Selika. Selika running for A, and then Selika running for 1J. Oh my gosh, only 1 week and there's like so many stuff already on it. And all the... Yo, isn't that like RX-7 radiator? So what we want to do today is we need to, so this is the back of the car. We need to like mount. This is the fuel tank, so we kind of need to mount. Okay, that's the fuel hose. We're gonna need to mount the fuel pump inside. And I have no idea where Evan is. Let me call him. So, and a few more stuff on the engine bay and the fuel lines need to be connected. Then we can install back the wiring. Oh my god, look at that! What a view, man! Full of Toyota's old school cars. Return line here. Pick up okay. These go inside. Straight. One. Racun. Okay. Ngam. Noise. Ooh. Okay. And fitting. Feed line. This is the feed line going to the fuel rail. The feed hard line to the feed side of the fuel rail, and then return gonna go all the way here. Meaning it's gonna be connected like that. Yes, it works. Oh yes. Oh, such awkward position. Takes forever, but I have to screw slowly because we're worried we might screw up the thread. Return side has already been locked. Now we need to lock the gauge. We use Allen key to open this. Very soft, nice, easy, without Teflon tape. Lock. Wow. Okay, nice. Size 12. Okay. Just from the top, vacuum hose going to intake. Finally done. Fuel system front side done. So can see that This is the feed line going all the way to this adapter. This is the fuel rail. Then after that, this is the return side. This return side connected all the way to the regulator. The fuel regulator is gonna regulate the fuel and traps the fuel in the fuel rail. And then the bottom part, it goes back to the return hard line, which goes all the way to the fuel tank. Yeah, nice. Not the cleanest thing, but now we're gonna jack up the 86 to install the fuel pump. So let's do that. So we're gonna mount the fuel pump over here like this. Oh my god, smells like shit, this Excel.
Sọt lên trong người.
Oh, berat sial. Nungguin guys, beneran dia masuk. Oke, jap guys, jap. 1, 2, 3. Coba, pin. Wow.
Cái con mũi gì đây thì đồng ấy. Cái chiêu đây chuyển điểm. Lên sắp vì block microphone block. Microphone block dia dapat nyanyi sudah.
Microphone kita
Dia dapat nyanyi sudah.
ini beli punya apa?
Atau one day.
Aduh.
Depan aku kasih lagi dan jangan.
Lalang oleh.
Kancil.
Oh, iya, tak lagi.
Hah?
Belum kita buka.
Lagi main-main.
Kenjen nih.
Buka ini dah, ketuk-ketuk dia. Tidak, ketuk dia punya pintu.
Wah, itu.
Nggak dapat mas.
Masih bagus bearing.
Masih? Ui.
Nah, hui. Ini panah mày.
Ya lah ho. As you guys can see, we took apart the 1J the other day. For some reason, the crankshaft was still jammed. And then, so today I'm here and I see there's no more crankshaft. But I have not asked Elvin. I've not asked him what's causing the crankshaft to jam the other day, but I don't see my crankshaft though. Where is my crankshaft? But yeah, this is the 1J. Totally empty block. Looks pretty nasty. that's the project after my 86 is done. I'm gonna clean up that engine and whatnot. So, but for now, let's continue my 86 project. I'm actually finding oil. So I've hose clipped the fuel pump and the hoses. Ta-da! Using some special hose clip. Damn cool, man, this hose clip. Ow! Bone. Now let's I don't remember which one is the feed, dude. God damn. We're just gonna connect it right now. Then we're gonna cut the hoses according to our length. It's gonna be super difficult, man. Because the hose is so damn long. Stick it back first. Stick it first. Okay, let's drop the fuel tank again. Let's drop the fuel tank. Okay, the fuel tank is already dropped, and there's a lot of dust right now everywhere. Okay, right now let's plug in the hose. The hose is very big. Yo, the hose damn huge. Yes, it locks. Fuel pump locking. Good. Okay, so this is the feed from the tank, which is the hose already in, and then it goes here and following the flow of the fuel pump. Then this one's supposed to go to the feed line. The problem is the feed line is this is the return line. The return line is supposed to be connected to this hose. This is the fuel tank. Problem is, how am I gonna curve this hose? We have done the feed line. This is the feed line going to the fuel pump, which goes here, connected all the way here into the front. And this is the return side, which goes here and which goes inside. Look at here. Oh, I guess you can see. Which is connected to the top part of the hose. I know it looks kind of sketchy because the feed and the return kind of like cross each other, but yeah, I can't really think of any better route for it, but I guess this will work for the meantime. So now we're gonna connect the previous fuel tank wiring, and this is the ground wiring, and this is the power, which is going to connect to this side of the fuel pump, which is the power and the grounding. This is temporary wiring, by the way. You can see that, yeah, that is the red one and the ground. Yeah. So that was the update on 86 today. We did the return hose, installed the fuel pump, installed the feed line, and installed the end fittings. Then after that we're gonna prime the fuel pump next one and see whether there's leakage or not. Hope you guys like the video. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.